How to check if someone viewed your Roblox profile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and on this video I'll show you if you can check if someone viewed your Roblox profile. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, friend request as profile views. Launch Roblox application and log into your account. If someone views your Roblox profile and send you a friend request, you will see it on your home page. And after that, this is the only way to know if they have checked your profile. Other thing what you can do is to view your profile. To view your own profile, you can tap on the dots at top right, or simply you can find it at bottom right corner of your screen. And here, tap profile button. On your profile, you will see the scan or QR code like icon which is next to edit profile. Select that. Then you will land on this section and your profile will appear. You can see that here is the QR code on your profile. If someone scans it will take them directly to your Roblox profile. So currently there is no feature on Roblox to track profile views directly, but these tips can give you some insights. So that's it. From here, you can learn that we are not able to see if someone viewed our Roblox profile. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.